I'm something like a big deal. Ain't with the petty.
All right, I'm leaving the office. Damn, these stairs. I just cut the camera off. I almost broke my ankle. I don't know how this gonna turn out, cause I don't know. We gonna thug it out today. I almost broke my daggum ankle coming down them stairs. So, anywho, I'm leaving the office. She would call me. Recording will be stopped. I don't know if it stopped, kept going, but oh, so look, I'm coming at the office down the stairs, and I almost broke my ankle. But anywho, I'm leaving the office. What is this? Oh, damn, that's just taking a picture. Okay, so look, so I'm leaving the office. I came downstairs. I almost broke my ankle coming downstairs. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get in. I'm about to go home. I'm about to change, get dressed, get out of my white tee, cause I'm clean in my white tee. All in the clothes, came in my white tee. Oh, it ain't turning out too bad. Let me tell you, it is hot as heck. And this lady talking about she want to sit outside. Go have a daggone heat stroke. I'm talking about it's hot. It's not even hot. You know what? It's humid. Humid as heck. But anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just cut this air on, let this air blast for a little minute. I'm about to go change, get dressed, and I'm about to head out. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. So look, I don't know how this gonna turn out, but I guess I don't know. So look, on my way to my consultation for the day. We meet at Javi's. It's a restaurant out here on Old Jacksonville Highway. So meeting about her business. We had a talk a couple days ago on the telephone, and she was telling me about her ideas and how she wanted to build her business, her brand, and all that. So what I did was say, hey, come on, let's book your consultation and we can talk in person and get a better understanding on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish, or whatever. So like if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, and you reach a certain level, then you can start charging for consultation. I mean, not saying that I'm on some crazy level, but I'm on a level good enough to where people will pay for my knowledge, pay for my information. So oh, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, all that. But once you get to a certain level, you can start charging for consultation. Oh, I need a new standard cover. That mug is black. But anyway, you can start charging for your service, like consultation. You can start charging consultation fees. Now my fees, they not bad. So it's $30 an hour in town for a minimum of 2 hours. So out of town it's $45 to $50 an hour. Minimum 2 hours. It just depends on where you at, how far I go. So my furthest I go is like my furthest I'm gonna go with like a 2 hour drive, my maximum, because I cannot stand being in a car. This hat got me looking crazy. Oh, this hat, look, my Martin hat. I stole it from my cousin, and she don't even know it yet. But yeah, so that is a good way to make some extra money. So do you a couple consultations. We just basically giving the people the knowledge and stuff that you know, like a basic consultation. The first hour is really me getting to know them, and then the rest of the time is then me talking about business. So because I kind of need to get a general idea of who they are, what they're trying to accomplish, what's their business, and then I give them basically a business plan, tell them how to get started, tell them how to get their DBA papers, tell them about the bank account, tell them if they need to get LLC, trademarked, helping them find vendors, telling them where they can find vendors, setting them up with the photographer for a photo shoot, because most people they don't have any professional photos. So the best thing you can do when you first starting out is to get you a photographer and start and do your brand photo shoot for your brand. Which like if you're selling products, you know, do your product photo shoot. Now I don't know what it's called, but on Facebook, hey, my glasses is like, and it's really bothering me. Got the little buzz on there, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so if you if you got products, do your brand photo shoot. I mean a product photo shoot. I don't know what it's called, but I seen it on Facebook, they got this little white box with the light in it. And you can have a photo shoot with that too, as well. So, but I don't know what the hell it's called, but it looked pretty good. Or you can just do your photo shoot behind a white screen, and then you need some professional headshots. So go on and get you a photographer. Save yourself the hassle. You know, do what you good at, whatever. Stick with what you good at. But like me, if I don't know how to do it, I'm gonna pay somebody, because but I can pick up stuff very easy. Like if I sit there and watch you do it a couple times, and then you tell me how to do it a couple times, I can pick it up. That's how I learn. And then me doing it on my own, figuring it out. That's how I learn as well. But I'm gonna go to this consultation. We're gonna talk about business. We're gonna talk about marketing. Talk about branding. Getting her paperwork, basically getting her legal, and telling her and giving her an idea on how she can build her business, build her brand, how she can attract more customers. Because again, people only do business with people who they know, like, and trust. If I feel like I like you, I'm gonna do business with you. If I feel like I can trust you, I'm gonna do business with you. And then another thing, if you just starting out, business, whatever, just remember, like, a stranger will support you quicker than most of your family and friends will. Most of your family and friends will. So that's just a note, just like a little mental note. Cause it's gonna be tough, and you'll be mad. Cause your friend will try to haggle you. I was talking to my homeboy today. He made a perfect thing. He was like, if you was selling bottled water for $1, he said they'll try to get it from you for 50 cents. But they'll go across the street to the gas station and go in the gas station and spend $3 for a bottle of water. I said, you are so right. So, you can't, you know what I'm saying? So, me personally, I never, in the beginning I did, because the people that you think supposed to support you don't. But after a while, I kind of got over it. It was like, screw it. So, but all in all, just do your part in the universe and do what's rest. Man, come on, man, just go. Bruh, these people cannot drive. I'm about to miss my turn fooling with these people. Straight miss my turn. Horrible. I should have got over a long freaking time ago. But anyway, I'll see y'all let me know. Don't you get the order and nothing crazy. About to get drunk.
I really gotta use like hashtags. So I'm trying to put her out there.
You're gonna have to say cheese.
Cheese? I was gonna take it.
I did.
Real hot girl.
To write down your goals. You need to get your vision board. Got your vision board?
No.
My vision board got the car I want, got the house I want, got my freedom check, got my savings account, got a dude speaking for business. That's what I already do that. I got the car. I didn't get the car I want, but I got another car. Got your freedom check, my savings account, my house I want. I'm be on your vision board. Need to be what you want to see, what you see for yourself in your business, your life. But you really need to write your goals down. You need to keep your to-do list. You need to what's your monetary goals. You need to get a schedule for your business. If you work 9 to 5 every day, with your hours at your job. We work from home right now, right? Mm-hmm. So, however, that plan, you need to how many hours a day do you want to put this. Like, you don't necessarily have to make money every day, but you know what I'm saying? That's the end goal. But you need to start getting into with your IPAs, your income producing activities.
So what about me having an LLC?
Yep. Okay. So your LLC basically protects you. Protects your personal, they just get the company stuff. You know what I'm saying? So like if you was doing like lip gloss and stuff, then yeah, I would get you an LLC. Because if I put that lip gloss on and my lips swell up, then I'm gonna sue you. But right now you're not really, you know what I'm saying? You ain't no millionaire making a million and stuff. So I just talk mess about you on Facebook. But if you had them millions and you had no LLC, yeah, I understand. I can just get everything you got.
Do brown people have to? I wonder if I have to get an LLC.
No, not doing that. But what your end goal is to get your own little suite in school or something like that, or how you gonna do it?
My end goal for that is to just do it, and then I kind of want to work for myself though. Maybe working my friend is opening up a beauty bar. Work with her side by side, and then kind of start teaching classes maybe down the line. You know, doing my microblading, training the microblading classes maybe like within 2 years.
Well, for both stuff, what you're gonna have to do, I don't know what your Facebook look like, cause I haven't went on there. But I tell everybody the same thing. Nice profile picture, right? Nice cover photo, right? Then you need to go through your friends list. Now for me, I got my ratchet friends, right now, cause I do my funny stuff. I got my in-town people because I do speaking engagements. July, on the 18th of this month, I'm speaking.
See, I don't post too much crazy stuff on my person, but I'm never even really on my Facebook. That's the thing. I'm just now, probably in the last year, been on it a lot more.
You're gonna have to, cause that's gonna, your social media gonna be where your stuff gonna be for right now till your word of mouth get right. So. Friends, I got my in-town, I got my ratchet, I do my funny, and then I got my niche. My niche is business owners, entrepreneurs, because they need my services, which is websites, marketing, branding, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So your niche. Just left my meeting, my consultation, it went pretty good. Well, man, tell you something, it is hot. Man, this thing, I'm gonna have to, my little boy need to be at everything, because I ain't gonna be able to do this everywhere. Yeah. Man, it's hot than a mofo. Do you hear me? I'm talking about it is hot as hell. Hot as shizzle. Woo. Goodness gracious alive. Put this mug on. Texas is ridiculous. It's 95 degrees outside. If you do not have no air, I pray for you, cause let me tell you, that's a no-go. Your boy is big sweating. But anyway, I just finished up my consultation. It's pretty, pretty informative, good. We had a good time, had a nice convo. About 2 hours. It was hot as fish grease outside. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all make sure to hit that like button. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna give y'all a video every day, every other day, every week. All that good stuff. Just gonna be documenting my life and my journey, being a father and entrepreneurship. So I'll check y'all on this next video.
A big deal,